sizawamkela uNokubonga Mgwenya ongumdidiyeli kwinkqubo Yes Asikhulume Let's Talk. Nokubonga masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho. Ekuyabonakala into yokubana nityhile kwelinye ikhasi enajonga kulomba esithetha ngawo namhlanje. Kutheni nje ni asikhulume niqonde into yokubana manijonge lomba?
Angibingelele Kholosi, ngibingelele nembukeli ekhaya. Si asikhulume sithe nasimva ukuthi kuneba letisebenza lapha kuma ports of entries letitholakala etenda inkohlakalo. Sabona kubalekile ukuthi masibuka le number sibonise etulo. Sabona kubalekile ukuthi sikhulumise lendzaba sikhone kwathi ukuthi yini kahle kahle mbambamba le bangela ukuthi kuze kuholele ekutheni tisebenza talapha kuma ports of entries divumele kwenda inkohlakalo lengaka. Lana sikhuluma ngebambu labang 50 labaqoshiwe emsebenzini labang 38 bona basabukene ne disciplinary hearing. Lokho kube i-concern lenkulu not only for thina sisebenzela SABC asikhulume but the public at large is also concerned ukuthi what is it kahle kahle le yentekako and why bamfu labathola umsebenzi badlala ngomsebenzi kangaka. So si asikhulume kusasa nzambama ngo 9:30 siyobe sina Dr. Michael Masiapato, the BMA commissioner, lato sikhulumisa asitshele kabanti ngikuthi yini ema challenges lebabukene nawo, intiphi itaba lebazama ukuthi babe nato kulungisa lenkinga lebabukana nayo lapha kuma ports of entries, because now usho uwabala lapha yana there are about 5 alama ports of entries la affected. Lokusho ukuthi ema job losses mhlambe singasho ukuthi perhaps in the near future kungaba nema job opportunities as well, but lokho kutawukhulunywa nguye BMA commissioner sive ukuthi inamba ngabe solo imile mhlambe noma ngabe iyachubeka yini. Siphinde sinema voices leswendile sikhulumile nabantu on the ground to find out ukuthi kahle kahle I corruption lekhona kuma ports of entries yona ithikabeta njani bantu bakuleli level eNingizimu Afrika.
Usathetha njalo ngiyaqonda ukuba ikhona into eniyena bekantini ayihlanganisa. Embukeli ka uGabula ufince kwelinqaku.
Uhulumeni ngathi ngagcinisa umthetho kakhulu kuma border gate because into engiyibonayo abantu mabephuma lapha bejumpa beza ngapha ngakithi eSouth Africa kufike kwenzeka icorruption kakhulu.
We have a challenge with our institutions being dysfunctional, and those dysfunctional institutions translate to our border areas, translate to corrupt politicians, translate to the ineffectiveness of leadership.
Let's find a way to actually take those borders and make them more efficient, bring in some actual trade opportunities so that they're operating smoothly.
Sibambe ngazibini kakhulu. Siyaqonda nokubonga into yokubana kubonakala ngathi niyena thetha njengokutshilo ngaphambili into yokubana khona abantu enithena bekantini idlana indlebe nabo. Nithethe nabantu abahlukileyo. Into ethi le ayichaphazeli kuphela abemi bele singathi into yokubana bantsundu kuba siyabona kwivoxes zenu ekuquka nolunye uhlanga.
Ayibakhona bona bakhulumile kakhulu nekuthi mhlambe bona bathi kabeteka kangakanani. Lomunye wabo ukhulume ngebusiness, ukhuluma ukuthi lama ports of entries la khona la South Africa angasetshenziswa latindro leti kahle kephanyalo bantu sibabona sebenta inkohlakalo, which is totally wrong according to them. They mentioned quite a number of challenges including crime labor khona eSouth Africa. Labanye babale some of the things that I cannot disclose myself because ngibona ngathi kungcono ukuthi imbukeli kube nguye latikhulumelako. So given that opportunity sitabaniketa nakusasa nzambama ukuthi bakhulume bativetele bona inkinga lebahlangabetana nato nalokuthi bacabanga ukuthi uhulumende ngiyini kahle kahle mbambamba kufanele ayende.
Omnye uye wachaphazela indaba ye corruption umqhophololo sisho into kubana osopolitiki kwabona bayangenelela ekubeni baqaqambisa ubuqhophololo. Ingaba mhlambe xa nihumba nzulu kuwo lomba ingaba nikufumanisile oko?
At this moment ngeke ngisho ukuthi sihambe safika kuphi, because like I said ukuthi some of these things ngeke sitikhulume thina kukahle na ukuthi tivela kubo la on the ground bantu balakulelive ngoba nase kungaphinze kuvele ngathi it would somehow look ngazi ukuthi ngithi lesitikhulumelako njengoba bona bativetela ke siyaba invite ukuthi kusasa ku SABC 1 9:30 babe khona basishayele inombolo yethu itoba khona on screen batikhulumele ngoba ngeke nje sithinze leyo kakhulu kunenge lesikutholile, but I am just here to invite ukuthi abede batotibukelela batikhulumele if banawo ama questions lebafuna kwabuta komshana we PMA they will have the opportunity ukuthi bakhulumisane naye directly.
Lilonke uyaqinisekisa into kubana izimvu zababukeli ayizozimvo leziko le-SABC okanye asikhulume kodwa zizimvo zabo futhi ke ndiyayithanda kakhulu into kubana niyabamemelela into kubana nabo ebathatha inxaxheba ekudliwano ndlebe olubaluleke kangaka. Nokubonga masibambe ngazibini sizawudibana kanye ngentsimbi ya asikhulume ngomso. Enkosi kakhulu.